In this video, I would like to show you how to edit your first video with Camtasia. Okay, let's start. Okay, I have opened Camtasia already, so let me bring the media file right here. So I got this one and this record. So it is the first video. Just drag right here and drag this one right there. So here my first clip and here my second clip. I can zoom in, zoom out, or just press this one and then it will fit with your screen right here. So let's first here my video. So let's zoom a little bit and then you can remove. You can split, right click and split audio and video, and then you know this part you don't need it, so you just drag right there and delete, and then it is gone. So you will see like this. And I don't want this part, I can zoom or just click here and press this one, and then I can crop like this. So just press this one and I can make it a little bit bigger and maybe something like this. Okay, so you have can put some graphic ideas or title or something. Like here I have my library, so I will show you more in the later video how to make it, how to edit to the library like this, and then when you need it just drag and drop and then you got it, something like this. So got something like this, and for example like this, you want to stop and just select and press S, and then you can split it. And if you have some intro or outro, you can just drag here or just like this. So for example like this, and if you want to zoom out, especially when you press something and you want to zoom out, just click animation, so just drag like this, and then you can rearrange like this, and then our clip will zoom like this and rearrange like this. So you got all as you want. And for example, when you want to show another part, you just drag and rearrange like that, and then the clip, you see the clip have something point right here, so you can see the animation. For example, I want to zoom right there, so just drag a little bit more and then you see effect right here. Okay, for example you have something like this, or you got all the file if you need it, just delete the rest, for example, and then now all your job is done. You can export to local file, or you can sign in with YouTube and then upload directly to the YouTube channel. So just save the file and choose dimension, or you can use MP4 up to 820, up to 1080p or 720p, or use the preset. And I will show you how to create your own preset right here. For example, I want 1080p 25 frame, so just choose this one and press next and then save file and then finish, and then you got the file. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in comment. See you next time.